Have you heard that Autodesk released a 3D animation tool called MotionMaker, which is a new AI-powered animation tool integrated into the latest Maya version, 26.1 release, and is gonna make a big impact in 3D animation inside Maya, or is it? The tool allows animators to create natural character movements in minutes instead of hours, according to the developers, using high-level inputs, more like giving stage directions to a digital actor, rather than keyframing every motion. But in practical terms, MotionMaker automates in-betweening of character movements, handling the tedious locomotion work, so animators can focus on the creative process, which takes a lot of effort. Autodesk even reports that a complex 10-second sequence, which might make a couple of weeks to animate by hand, can be initially laid out in about 1 minute using MotionMaker. Honestly, this is a bold statement because, as we're gonna see, it is not black and white. Sure, this tool can help, but the experience of the animators, fine-tuning and other things will have to be implemented later on. Nonetheless, this marks one of the first major integration of AI into one of the most important animation software in the industry and integrating it into Maya's core toolset, which I think this is signaling a shift towards smarter AI animation tools. And depending on where you stand when it comes to AI, this might feel different to you. Anyways, with MotionMaker, animators can draw a path for a character to follow, and the AI automatically generates the walking motion along that route. So by just setting some key poses or guide path like this, MotionMaker automatically generates the in-between motions for the character, like what you can do in software such as Cascador. It currently specializes in locomotion cycles. For example, you can direct a character to walk, run, jump, or sit, and the system will fit in a smooth, lifelike transition between the smart and the endpoints. Under the hood, multiple neural networks drive an autoregressive motion generator, which is a machine learning model trained on custom motion capture data, including human performances and even dog movements for quadrupeds. And MotionMaker comes with its own editor panel in Maya. This allows animators to tweak and refine the AI-generated animation. Artists can layer in additional motion on top of a generated base, and all the motion is baked as editable keyframes in Maya's timeline. Notably, Autodesk has added handy controls, like multiple path-following modes, an automatic speed ramping feature to adjust timing, and a foot sliding reduction tool to keep feet firmly planted, ensuring the AI-assisted motion meets professional standards, at least to a certain extent. And here is the thing. Initial reactions from the 3D community show excitement tempered with pragmatism. So many artists are intrigued by the time-saving side of things, noting that it would be awesome to see such an AI assistance in other 3D software such as Max as well. But I doubt that Autodesk will make Max better when it comes to animation. Animators are especially happy to have a faster way to block out scenes. Some see MotionMaker as a great help, especially for pre-visualization and background character animation. At the same time, I have to say the obvious here. Specifically, this isn't a magic wand, which means you have to do some work to get some decent results. So seasoned animators on forums report that AI generation motion can look generic and less tweaked, which is expected, to be honest, describing MotionMaker as a useful blocking tool best used to handle the rough groundwork while the animators refine the nuance by hand. Overall, the sentiment, I think, is cautiously optimistic. Some artists are eager to embrace MotionMaker to eliminate some boring tasks in the workflow, but the truth is, the animator's experience and personal touch is the most important thing at the end of the day, so don't expect it to do everything for you. Like for example what you see in software such as Cascador. It is great, but you have to put in the work. And there you have it, guys. I hope you found this video useful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to receive more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.